If you are walking in a garden, reaching to an end is a goal. But do you think if you are not mindful, not present, while walking, while enjoying the greenery, while enjoying the flowers, do you think it is worth traveling and doing all that efforts to reaching out to the end? So when you are mindful and when you are enjoying the journey, it creates satisfactions, contentment, and a lot of joy. So as the end results and the dead ends matters, the journey is equally important. And in this 2024, this coming year is bringing lot of excitements, lot of stories, lot of opportunity for building a journey. So keep the resolutions in such a way where you are not dependent on outer achievements, and you can create an inner journey which will be more satisfactory and fulfilling. Thank you.